Where's your nose? Oh. Eyes? Oh, your mouth? Where's your ears? Ew. Ew. What a goofball.
Hey, go sleep. Go sleep. Surprise!
Oh. Ew. Food all over his face. Right there.
Surprise!
Oh. Where's your nose? Are you sleeping? Roll your eyes. There it is.
Here I am.
Jonathan. Oh, where's your nose? Oh, goodness.
We gotta get that tray before he dumps it.
Oh, food all over his shirt.
No. Come on, Mama. Let's get him out of there. He's just gonna dump all that on the floor.